Oh my gosh. Look at this. They have a cake that is $600. That's a half off. Oh my God. Holy shit. Yeah, go camera.
Is that Christian?
What up, dog?
Is that Tyler?
Yes, sir.
Is it Jordan?
What's up, buddy?
Yeah. What? Dominic. Do it. Here, I got some. Step on him. Good job.
Yeah.
Go.
Is it inside a tube?
No, it's inside the watermelon.
Okay.
It's getting wetter by the second.
All right. Well, light it.
Light it up.
Well, this is a salute.
Putting a silver salute underneath it. All right. Light it.
Jordan is.
Run, Jordan, run! Oh. Oh! Run! Oh my God. Do the ANS sort of thing.
It's not gonna be good. Let's just hope and pray that we don't get hit by this giant storm, blow things over. Just trying to make this tent move a little bit. It's not looking good, fellas. Not looking good.
Is this your piece of shit?
What'd you say? That's a, yeah, it's mine. You just say it was a piece of shit, Melly?
Yeah.
Wow, she just said my car was a piece. Wow.
So you're gonna tell me it's a fucking beauty? Okay, you go look at my fucking phone.
Alright.
It's got fucking...
Feeling today?
Feeling hot.
Feeling hot. She
Yeah.
came over and stopped by the fireworks tent. It's my nephew's. She's pregnant too. Tell her about the story. How, you know, how's that going?
It's great.
Going
You know,
good?
We're almost done. I'm
Almost
excited.
done. Is this your last one?
Yeah.
Last one.
We're getting fixed this time.
He said this is it.
Nope, it's getting removed. Everything's getting taken out. It's good. No more.
Yeah. Do you look older and older every time I see you? It's
I know,
crazy.
So old. I was like, he's 13, right? I'm like, no.
It's awesome.
It's a limo.
Shit, they pulling up in the limo.
I know, you got a limo pulling up.
You about to blow out your whole shit about the
Yeah, we got a limo pulling up to the fireworks tent. I mean, we're about to get popping.
Figure out how to get over here. As I got confused too when I first pulled in. I was like, that's a ditch, so we're not going that way.
Yeah, they're not going this
Keep
way.
driving.
That's awesome.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
I swam all day in a cold ass pool. Yeah. We can go when you want to go. Yeah, I do. What?
And so that's where all your tan lines came from.
Why? Sir. And it's zoned off. White as shit if I don't know. Madison. Wait, hold on.
Should be 16.
Hi.
Will Mason be 16 by next?
Yes. He will.
Yeah, then he can drive.
Yeah. He will.
So yeah, I mean, you'll.
I'm eating bread. You want to take that? Fuck. We gotta take this thing off. So we can stick it in here. What the fuck? What is that?
Trying not to blind you, but
No, you're good.
I don't know, dude. That's crazy. There's a hole here, but there's no cord that goes through there. Maybe this one they forgot to put the fuse in.
Oh shit. Oh well. Got these. Okay, got that one, got this one. Oh shit! Oh.
You told me to.
Dude, that right. That's that cat right on my face. Dude, there's so many shells.
Yeah, there's a lot of smoke. This is the Adam Sandler dented package discount.
Yeah. Yeah, these ones are good. These ones are the ones we always sell out every year.
Really?
Quest, yeah. Actually, we can't even get them. These are the last ones too. Is this one full? Yes, it is full. Shit.
I wonder if they're the same size as the smoke and mirror ones. They look like it.
Sparkly ones. Those are nice, dude.
Where did that go?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought I just saw a car pull
Oh,
out.
I think these people. Is it a close-up of the lashes?
Yep, close up lashes. Lashes. Oh shit, maybe I should.
Yeah, you should probably focus on something other than lashes.
There you go.
Diablo second, whatever it is.
Oh,
But it is trickling down this way.
Sorry, I'm trying to get it.
You really did it.
did you pour it on that?
Yeah.
On that?
Yeah.
That's not lit yet.
Oh, that's my bad, dog.
Pour water on that?
Why?
That's what we're trying to light.
Serious?
Not that much on there. You're good. There's not that much on there.
Tyler, you want to light that?
You got another
What?
lighter?
You want to light that? I don't have a lighter. I don't have one.
Now I don't know if my hands got pee or water on it.
You light yours. You gonna go? It's broke. I'm so sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. Just get it. I don't care. Well, it'll. Where's the torch at? We have a torch. It looks pretty simple. It ain't gonna light. Oh.
Oh shit!
Almost.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
This lighter is getting really hot.
Come on,
it?
baby.
Yeah.
I bet it is. Come on. Come on.
You gotta
Can we rip that packaging off?
You gotta be. Come on!
We gotta let
No!
it dry. We gotta let it dry. How wet is it in there? Not very. Can we cut off part of that wick?
Yeah, look where it's dry right there.
I bet if we just try to light it, it'll run once it gets going.
You motherfucker.
Gosh, this lighter's hot. Light the side of it for a second and bend it. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah! Oh no! Oh!
Oh shit, that's close as fuck on that.
Oh, it's gotta be lit. Come on. Watch yourself.
Somewhere in here.
You're stepping on piss.
Right here. Alright, light that son bitch and hope to God we don't die.
Here comes Big Daddy.
Alright, well, you might want to get back.
Yeah.
Okay. What am I supposed to do?
Oh.
Haley, you serious?
We're gonna light this.
Yeah, 'cause you get.
I didn't even light. No. What we need to do is get a knife, cut that fuse right there, and then put another fuse over the top of it.
I mean, that fuse was all the way down in there.
That's a quick fuse, though. You got a knife?
Well, that works. 1 second. Stick it on another one. Does it have to be in that one?
Shine your light on that.
Are you shitting me? Are we really about to do this?
Holy shit!
Alright. That'll light. Hopefully. If this doesn't do it, it ain't happening.
Yeah! Let's go! Hey, how you feel about that, buddy?
Zapper.
Heat on, water bottle poured on it. on in, folks.